Welcome to my Indian Astrology. Today we'll discuss about how to make marriage matching in Jagannatha Hora. So a chart is open in my Jagannatha Hora, you can see in the screen. Yeah, for marriage matching you need two things in Jagannatha Hora. First, moon is posited in which nakshatra and in which pada. For that you need to just select this moon row in the details. Now, for marriage matching, just click on this icon. Tooltip showing horoscope matching score for marriage. Click on it. Already a groom's chart is open. Now I have to match this groom's chart with a bride's chart. For that I need to know the bride's moon's position. So I have selected bride from here. Now again just select the nakshatra of the bride and pada of the bride. Now click on OK. See, native's moon posited in Hasta nakshatra 4th pada and bride's moon posited in Rohini nakshatra 1st pada. Now score. The Ashtakada score is 26 out of 36. Level of matching is good. So we can proceed with this bride. Okay. Click on OK, or let's say I am showing you another. Here you can, let's say, select Chitra and select the 4th pada. Again click on OK. So both nakshatra is mentioned here and Gunanka is 20, which is average but it is permissible. Below average is not permissible. Okay. I am selecting another one. This one is bridegroom. If you don't know whether it is a bride or groom, okay, you can select, let's say, Asini or Pada. See, the score is 11. Average is below average, so it is not permissible. I hope you understand. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment box. Thank you.